Our new stalk interfaces not only allow the retention of the steering wheel controls, but also aid in the retention and functionality of the factory panoramic camera system. To begin the installation, you will need to remove all of the panels that surround the main radio. With these all removed, you can then undo the 4 screws that hold the radio in place. Once free, disconnect the following wiring. When wiring up your new head unit, use the diagram within the instruction manual to connect all of the relevant connections found within, paying close attention to the yellow 360 video RCA connector as well as the reverse gear wiring. Additionally, you will find a 360 camera button controller that is situated on a long thin ribbon. This button features 3M tape which allows you to mount the controller in a variety of positions. With the new Nissan stalk installed correctly, you are now able to interact with your new head unit using the pre-existing stalk commands. When you put the vehicle into reverse, the interface will generate the OEM 360 camera function on the display. A single press of the button controller will then switch to the blind spot mode. Upon exiting the reverse state, the camera feed will then switch to the front view, replicating the factory experience. You can also access the panoramic and front camera view mode by simply pressing the button controller when out of reverse. Our range of stalks allow for a wide variety of languages. To change the language format, ensure that the vehicle's MFD is set to AUX. Once there, hold the button controller for approximately 8 seconds and a language setting will appear. Subsequent presses of the button controller will effectively change the language seen on screen. For more information regarding our new Nissan stalks, please visit our website and speak to our team today.